just gonna check out the old Ala Moana Park, y'all. This is the yacht club.
My name is Dennis Chapman.
I'm working at a summer camp.
Okay.
So I've got 2 weeks down here, then I go back to the North Shore for a couple months.
Where the rocks break and all this stuff down here as well too, so that's good. Welcome back everybody. Mystery Man Travels. Today we are here in Oahu, Hawaii. Get excited, particularly in Honolulu. This is a place where everybody in the world wants to visit at least once. So let's walk through here. Let's see what's happening, y'all. Honolulu, Mystery Man Travels. Get excited. It's going down. Hawaii. Thanks, Mystery Man. All right. Now, first things first, let's talk about Hawaii in general. Now, a lot of people, when they see the map, they see about 8 islands. Now, we do have the 8 main islands of Hawaii, all right? But Hawaii is actually composed of 137 islands. 137! That's so much. See what's happening? That's a mall over there, by the way. Supposedly the biggest mall in Hawaii. We're gonna check this park out. The parking lot is huge here. So we're just gonna check out the old Ala Moana Park, y'all. Thanks, Mr. Man! All right. A little bit more of the park there, and you got the buildings in the background, y'all.
Mystery Man, baby!
So, as you can see, this is the yacht club. I'm trying to get as much as I can here. But it looks quite nice. Wow! Not really any access for the public, but you can kind of see how everybody has their boats going on, which is good.
I am a martial artist.
And this jetty actually goes, or dock, I'll say, actually goes all the way down, so it's quite nice. Let me give you some fun facts about Hawaii. So a lot of people, when they think about Hawaii, they think about beaches and things like that. But the beaches had to come from somewhere. Volcanoes. Hawaii is the only state in the U.S. composed entirely of islands, and it was actually formed by volcanic activity. Get excited.
I don't know what to say.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep walking here and see what we can find, what we got going on, all that good stuff. So we'll see. Hey y'all, how you doing? How you doing, man? All right, pretty good, pretty good.
Thanks.
All right. So you check this view out from over here, and this is quite nice as well. You parked a little scooter up. Wow! And you can just kind of enjoy the water. Look at that, y'all. First person perspective here in old Honolulu. And when I was talking about that parking lot, look how packed it is. This is a really popular park, obviously. And I can see why it's so popular. So yeah, it's quite nice. Thanks, Mr. Man! All right. So there's just so much action happening all the time around here. Wow! And this is pretty much everybody's view, y'all. Like, it's really nice. Same temperature every day too. Amazing! Let's talk about ecosystems. Now, Hawaii is pretty small, but it does boast an incredibly diverse ecosystem. It has rainforests and it has lava fields. It's home to numerous species found nowhere else on Earth. So get excited, all those animal lovers out there. Come to Hawaii.
There's not really much to do in this tent.
How y'all doing?
We're doing pretty good over here.
Okay, good. I want to focus on the entire population of Honolulu, so including y'all. So what's your names?
My name is Dalton.
Dalton? All right, what about you?
My name is Dennis Chapman.
Okay, and it seems like everybody's a transient from somewhere, right? So you say you came from Texas?
Everyone comes from a little bit of everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
They all live in Oahu.
Yeah, this is a nice place then.
It's every country.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Everybody comes over here.
Yeah. So, but right now it's winter there. Because the seasons are different. So.
What? Are you telling me it's snowing over there right now?
It's snowing in some places.
Are you kidding me?
And cold, yeah.
Really?
Well, here, you don't have that. You have this every day.
Yeah, and I noticed there's not that many insects and all that kind of stuff as well.
You don't have to worry about no snakes and no crocodiles.
Yeah, that's okay. That's a good thing. What about spiders? Y'all got spiders over here?
Your little tiny ones crawling around.
Okay.
They might bite you, might leave some
serpents.
bugs.
Okay.
And we have scorpions.
Okay.
Go up into the mountain.
Cool.
Shut
all right.
up.
Well, I might have to go there and check it out.
We ain't worried about
They
that.
don't
Yeah,
have
it's all
snakes
good.
over here, okay,
Okay.
whatsoever.
Nice meeting you.
Cool. All right. Yeah. Nice meeting you guys too.
Ah! Mystery Man.
Mystery Man.
All right, y'all. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. See ya.
God bless.
Nice to meet you. All right, so we're just checking everything out here. We've made it to the rocks, y'all. And we got to see what the sign says. Let's check out what the sign says, y'all. So we got to watch out because the waves do break. So there you go. And it's a strong current. So we're going to walk up here. And we're just going to check things out. From the Mystery Man perspective, obviously. So let's see what we got, y'all. Oh, the waves are breaking. The waves are breaking. You got to watch out when you're walking here, too, because you don't want to fall inside a rock. Don't want that. All right. Now keep in mind, everybody, I got sandals on. So if I fall in here and hurt myself, it's on me. But I'm not actually going that far. So I don't want the waves to break on me. So there you go right there, y'all. Wave breaks. Wow! You gotta have the right timing. So shout to the parasailers and shout to the helicopter. And look at all the surfers down there, y'all. World famous. What a nice place to be. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right. And how many did you do?
Wow.
Okay. That's a lot. I used to hold my sister's legs back in the day and I got her doing them. Yeah, that's all right. So let me just pop you over here right in the shade. Cool. So what's your name?
Molly.
Molly? All right, where are you from, Molly?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. All right, yeah.
I heard you're from.
Yes, yeah. I live yeah, I heard your accent. I said, oh, that's a Kiwi right there.
No, everyone thinks I'm from Australia though. With
But
the
you know what it
accent.
is? It's the majority of the population, right? So when I go somewhere, they say, oh, you're American, because there's not that many Canadians,
Yeah.
right? So just kind of depends. But yeah, you out here doing your thing, you getting your money on the bars,
Of
you doing
course.
your thing like that. All right,
Yeah.
how long are you in town for?
I'm working at a summer camp.
Okay.
So I've got 2 weeks down here, then I go back to the North Shore for a couple months.
Okay, well, you know what? That's a different summer for you. The
I
3 month
know.
summer.
It's good though.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, 9
I'm
days.
like, I'm loving this heat compared
Yeah.
to New Zealand. It's
Well, yeah,
fucking
especially
cold.
right now. Yeah, what part of New Zealand are you from?
Auckland.
Auckland?
so
Okay.
North Island.
I just did a series on South Island.
Did you?
And the video that's up right now on YouTube is
Yeah.
why is Invercargill so unfriendly? So that one's going up.
Oh my
coming up
God,
soon.
I love
Yeah,
it.
they
I've
didn't
never
like me
been
very
down
much. It's something
Do
else.
you do like a lot of content?
Yeah, yeah,
a
yeah. I
job
usually, so I do it like once a week.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so I'm in a different place once a week, but sometimes I edit it, make it 2,
Oh my
3
God,
parters.
that's dope.
Yeah, yeah. But let me get you doing some
Yeah,
pull-ups. Let me
okay.
see what you're working with.
Let's
Show me how they do in New Zealand.
I might be able to do like 2.
Oh, that's
because
all right.
I'm actually so dead.
That's all right. It's you know, in the hot sun too.
We'll
So
try, yeah.
okay, let me get you to do a couple.
I'm gonna try to do 2.
All right, here we go.
Mystery Man. Oh, maybe 3.
All right, keep going. See that motivation? That's what helped you out there.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
So as we're walking around this way, we have a little bit of the non-tourist beach, like semi-local beach for Honolulu, across the way from the park. So this is your view on this side, and this is your view on this side, which is quite nice. So it's all good. All right, so here's another view, everybody. Wow! And we're actually gonna try to make it up here. So let's walk up here together and let's see what we can find. We're actually gonna walk around this side. Walking up here in my sandals, as we do. And as you get a little bit higher, you can see more. But yeah, we're gonna get a good one up here from where the rocks break. And all this stuff down here as well too, so that's good.
Mystery Man, baby.
So yeah, right where the rocks break over here, and you can really see the waves. No penguins here, unfortunately. It's too hot for penguins. But there's a nice view to backdrop again, y'all. Wow! There it is right there. So nice, he said it twice. And we got the wave breaks straight to the rock. And then you go over here on this side, you got even more down this way. So Honolulu is a big place, y'all. There's a little panoramic for you. It's such a big, nice place. Everything you need is here. And the waves, oh, do they break. Man, that was such a good video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. This is only part 1. This is a 3-parter. We were going all through Honolulu. So y'all are about to see everything. We about to talk to some more people. We gonna have a good time. But everybody get excited. Stay tuned for the next episode. Mystery Man. Thanks,
Mr. Man!